In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix hacked Gmail account. If you suspect someone's gotten into your Gmail, the key is to lock things down in the right order so you don't chase the attacker in circles. Follow along on a device you trust and, if possible, on a secure private network. First, secure your devices. Before you touch your Google settings, make sure the phone or computer you're using isn't compromised. If a device is infected, any change you make could be seen by an attacker, so start here. Next, scan your phone and PC for viruses and malware. Update your security software, then run a full scan on each device you use with Gmail, not just a quick scan. Let the tool finish and remove or quarantine anything it flags. If you don't have a security app on your phone, use the one that came with your device or a reputable option from the official App Store. After the scan, remove unknown apps and extensions. On your phone, review recently installed apps and uninstall anything you don't recognize or no longer use. On your computer, open your browser's extensions or add-ons page and remove suspicious or unnecessary items, especially anything you didn't intentionally install. This is a common way attackers maintain access. Now restart your device. A clean reboot helps finalize removals and resets anything that might still be running in the background. With your device secured, go to your Google account and open the security section. You can get there by visiting your account homepage and selecting security from the sidebar. This is your dashboard for hardening access. Find the section labeled Your Devices. Open it to see where your account is currently signed in. Carefully review the list, including device names, locations, and last activity. Select Sign out of unknown devices. If something looks unfamiliar or you no longer use that device, sign it out. You can always sign back in on your trusted devices afterward. Turn on security protection features in the same security area. Enable alerts and recommended protections so Google can warn you about suspicious activity and block risky access automatically. Enable two-step verification. This adds a second layer after your password. During setup, choose a strong verification method. Add your phone and a backup email so you can recover access if needed. If possible, use Google Authenticator or another authentication app for codes. App-based codes are typically more secure than text messages and work even without mobile service. That's it. Keep your software updated, be cautious with links and downloads, and check your security page periodically to stay protected.